I found that 3 in 4 women have seen girls drop out of sport specifically because of body image and sports kit concerns. It's body comportment, it's how the clothing feels, it's where it pulls, it's what you're allowed to wear, what you're not allowed to wear, and it's a constant disciplining of girls at school through uniform. It's the fact that, you can't run around in the playground wearing a skirt because, it might blow up or something. So you have to constantly be thinking about how am I moving my body. I dive when I play hockey several times a game, and I'm worried that my skort's going to come up. I wear tiny little shorts underneath that they have, but that's not enough for me. The way uniform is constructed will impact the way that our body moves, and that's something that has been neglected through uniform policy, through schools for too long. For so long, the purpose of uniform has been to create everybody equal, but to the detriment of participation. And here's where my research, the conclusion was quite nuanced. It's the fact that we have to create policies that enable participation. So is this uniform allowing every member of our school to participate in sport? And if the answer is no, then you're not living up to the purpose of sport. It's the cultural history behind being a female athlete that is still holding a strain over what we wear. We are constantly, as female athletes, trying to be this as strong and fit as possible, but also maintain this feminine ideal that no, we are women, we are playing sport, but we are women. And that needs to change. We don't have to prove anything to anyone, that you don't have to be this hyper-feminine, idealized version of a woman that has traditionally come from Victorian times and has led to us in a place where women are constantly told they're not enough. I didn't want to wear that outfit, so I didn't play, or the restrictions were too much. You lose girls early on, and then you've lost them for life. I took my research and went to England Hockey, and I said, we need to change our guidelines to make them more inclusive. And for this domestic season, our policies changed so that you can now wear hijab, turban, headscarf, long sleeves to make everything inclusive. You're protecting the right of the individual to choose. Plus, we have given the right for an individual to choose if they wear shorts, skorts, or a skirt, and the team doesn't have to wear the same thing. So that's individual choice. That is genuine choice. But the thing is whilst those domestic league policies have changed, there's no bespoke women's hockey shorts. So how am I supposed to wear a pair of shorts if it hasn't been created yet? So now the next stage is for us to get the brands involved. The dream is to take it internationally. I hope to be one of the first women to play at the Olympics in shorts. That's my dream. And I think now it's time to say, let's go and change the uniform policies. If not now, when? If not us, who? The time is now.